So a lot of people ask me which softwares are being used to make these game-like graphics. In this video we will be talking about top softwares which you can use to make these graphics with their pricing and licensing. The first software comes in the list and the most powerful software of industry standard, Autodesk Maya. The best thing about Maya is its stability and the most amount of tools it already has integrated. Without a doubt, render engine that supports Maya are the best in the market. The community and the resources are worldwide since Maya has remained in the market for more than 20 years. Maya has all the features that are required to make these kind of graphics. The price of an annual Maya subscription is 92,000 INR and the price of the monthly is 11,000 INR. But we have a free 3-year subscription for students and teachers on education license. It's available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. The second software comes in the list is Autodesk 3ds Max. Both 3ds Max and Maya are the leaders of the CG industry, but often people have a similar question, which one is the best? The basic difference between the 3ds Max and Maya is 3ds Max is popular in architecture and gaming industry, where Maya is popular for VFX and animation. So you have to decide which software best suits the need of your work. We'll compare Maya and 3ds Max in later videos. The price of 3ds Max and Maya are pretty the same. The price of an annual 3ds Max subscription is 92,000 INR and 11,000 INR for a monthly basis. But it's good to have a 3 years of subscription for students and teachers on education license. 3ds Max has a disadvantage where it is available only for Windows. Blender is a complete 3D software package that can produce professional 3D projects, even on a commercial level. Blender is one of the software I personally use in my pipeline. It's an open source tool and a rapid growing 3D software. Blender can give you same results as of the paid software out there. It's an open source tool and a rapidly growing 3D software. Blender can give you same results as some of the paid softwares out there. This program lets you know a wide range of features that can help you make awesome and stunning game-like graphics. And I'm glad to bring our new series on Blender course for free. We will be covering up with the basics and then forward to the advanced level, where I will be showing how exactly the software works so that you can even make these stunning visuals. If anyone asked me what do you dislike about Blender, my answer would probably be there is nothing to be disliked. Even if we compare the size of the software with Maya, there would be a huge difference, but the results are quite similar and at times even clashing. Pricing is free and an optional nearly 900 INR for Blender community, where you can access to plugins and scripts that make Blender a powerful software out there. Blender works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Substance Painter. I love texturing. Texturing things needs a very good observation and Substance Painter helps to achieve that. Substance Painter is the best texturing software powered by Adobe. It's a quick to set up materials and textures which save ton of your time for finding the exact material on the internet. The simple user interface is one of the reasons why professionals highly recommend Substance Painter. Substance Painter costs 14,000 INR monthly and nearly 18,000 yearly. The free education license is aimed for students and teachers. Substance Painter works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Next in the list is one of the most famous softwares known to be as Houdini. Houdini is particularly useful for creating simulations of clouds, smoke, fire, fluids, and etc. Although Houdini can create entire scene, but fluid-like effects and other simulations are what this software is mostly known for. Houdini works on a node system which makes complex and unique 3D modeling tasks efficient. Houdini is also a well-known tool and therefore has a lot of support online with a great community. Houdini is a very large topic, thus let's cover up in the future videos. This software is used in most of the famous worldwide studios and thus users can be seen in various movies and series. Talking about the price, it costs 61,000 INR annually and also available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Nuke provides everything for digital compositing and people loving video editing. The node-based workflow of Nuke can make compositing much easier, especially if you're working with 3D elements. Nuke is used in every professional studios worldwide. This software is much powerful and thus is been used for pipeline for years. When coming to its price, Nuke is not cheap. Pricing at around 6 lakhs INR for the most complete version of the program, but this has a non-commercial version free for people wanting to learn compositing but as on non-profitable scale. Nuke is available for Windows and Linux.